At AAA Heating and Air, we work very hard at what we do, and we made a commitment in the last few years mostly to really try very hard to provide people with heating and air that could not get heating and air anywhere else. Find alternative ways to get people heating and air. During that process, we come up with quite a few people who actually don't have a way to get heating and air even through any of the programs that we offer because they simply can't afford it in the end. Well, as the owners of AAA Heating and Air, Dana and myself, we feel very fortunate. Our community supported us greatly, and we have a really good business. And I really think that we should give back. And I think we have a responsibility to the community to help those who need us. And that doesn't always mean making a profit. Sometimes it may mean just giving someone a small hand or buying them lunch or in this case, helping them get a new heating and air system because it's something that we do and can do. Well, AAA kind of has a routine of how we go about choosing the person that will receive the next unit. We have a pile which we put in everybody who goes all the way through our process and for another reason or another couldn't quite get to where they needed to be. Mr. and Mrs. Brightman were actually qualified for partial financing, and they have a very good background and they're very nice people. And that was one of the reasons why when they get that close to being able to get something, we feel like it's a responsibility of ours to try to help them get to the next step. So we put these people and we start segregating them into piles. And we have the people in the office who've talked to them and communicated with them. We have them also vote on the different ones. And Mr. and Mrs. Brightman won. I mean, they got the most votes out of everybody in the office as the next person to go do it. And even though they did get financed for part of a unit, once we make the decision that we're going to give them a system, we don't do any of their finance or nothing. It's completely on AAA. We take care of it for them.